Nag-ask na din ba kayo sa self ninyo mga mami kung ano yung watch na pwede nyo magamit for everyday? Yung very flexible, pwede mo magamit for events, for occasions. As in, yung talagang, oh okay, ito yung watch ko talaga na, okay, I will treasure. Ang taray. Kasi mami, di ba, yung mga Rolex ngayon sobrang tumataas. O di Mars and other brands. Kasi pansin ko din sa Rolex mga mami, no, may mga nagbibenta ng hindi pa full set yun ha, nasa 200 or 300 plus. Hindi pa siya full set. So I think this is our edge right now with this video. Kaya kung nanonood ka, this is a perfect time for you to get this and watch this video. Kasi I have here a Cartier. Ayan siya. My gosh, mami, look at this one. Ang ganda. Ayan, mami, oh. This is automatic. Ayan siya. You know what, mami? This Cartier tank, XL siya. Renowned for iconic designs like the Panther, Balloon Blue, making it a top choice for elegance and style talaga. Tingnan nyo naman yun, no? Roman numeral dial. Yan. It comes with the full set. Pag sinabi kong full set, as in original set siya from Cartier. Tingnan nyo naman, mami, yung nasa ilalim niya, no? Talaga namang original strap niya from Cartier, walang napalitan dyan. This is automatic, mami. Meron pa siyang date indicator kung nakita nyo kanina. Ayan siya, mami. Oh, look at that. You know what I'm saying? And it comes with a box. Ito siya, mami. Talagang naalagaan ng owner, first owner ha. And this is the card, mami, nakalagay dyan. So, purchase siya ng 2018, ma. Would you imagine? And it comes with this manual. So, dalawa yung manual niya. So, makukuha nyo siya with the original set from Cartier. So, naalagaan talaga to, mami. And you know what? This is only 190,000 pesos. It comes with the full set siya. Imagine, ha? So, what are you waiting for? I-DM mo na kami. And don't forget to follow our Instagram and Facebook for more good deal finds. You know what I'm saying?